How to disable Instagram story comments. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With Instagram's recent update, followers can now post public comments on your Instagram story. But if you prefer not to have people commenting on your stories, whether for a specific story or entirely for all stories, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. At first, let's learn how to disable comments on a specific story. After that, we will see how to disable this feature completely. Tap on your story to open it. Tap on the three vertical dots at the bottom right corner. A menu will appear. From here, tap on Turn off commenting option. Now, comments on this specific story will be disabled, so no one can comment on it. However, they can still comment on other stories you post. Now let's learn how to disable the commenting feature entirely for all your stories. For that, come back to the home page of Instagram, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner, tap on the hamburger icon at the top, your settings and activity page will open up. Scroll down until you see how others can interact with you section. Tap on the option for comments. Under Who Can Comment section, tap on Stories. If you wish, you can block comments from specific users as well. To disable the commenting feature for everyone, tap on the option for Off under Controls. Once set to off, the comment box on your stories will be removed and no one will be able to make public comments. And boom! You have successfully learned two of the best ways to disable the commenting feature on Instagram story. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.